we're going to take 2 more questions, folks. Right there. Yes. Come forward.
Well, what a courageous young lady. We have a 9-year-old question here. We are, sweetheart, so glad that you're here. And she asks, she has an aunt with 9 children and can't afford health care. What are we doing to help her aunt afford health care? And that's a wonderful question. And I'm glad that you haven't been too intimidated by the crowd to stand up and speak for your aunt tonight. Thank you. Well, this effort really is all about your aunt, and it's all about millions of other Americans around the country that, you know, go to sleep every night and hope that none of their children get sick, because God forbid they do, they don't know where they're going to go for care. And I'm very grateful for folks like Dr. Kaufman and all our panelists that are there to help those kids that come into Children's Hospital and other institutions, often without insurance, often without hope. And I want to give you one quick anecdote from one of my other town halls, a little more quaint than this one, where one of my constituents raised basically the same point and said that my daughter had gone to school with their daughter, that they were working people, self-employed, couldn't afford coverage, but they were lucky. When their daughter got sick, they had healthy families. But now one of the parents was sick, and they weren't in healthy families, and they asked, is there any hope for a family like ours? And I think now we can say there is hope. There's hope for your aunt. There's hope for millions of others, parents, grandparents, aunts and uncles that don't have health care, and we can move to universal health care in America. Thank you for that question.